Transforming setbacks into comebacks. Lessons for 2 to 5. Life is full of challenges, and setbacks are inevitable. Whether in personal relationships, career paths, or health journeys, setbacks can shake our confidence and derail our plans. However, they also present an opportunity to grow, learn, and return stronger. The year 2025, like any other year, will bring its share of obstacles, but embracing the right mindset and strategies can transform setbacks into powerful comebacks. This exploration offers actionable lessons on how to shift perspectives, rebuild momentum, and turn adversity into triumph. The nature of setbacks are often unexpected disruptions that prevent us from achieving our goals as planned. They can manifest in various forms. 1. Career challenges, losing a job, a failed business venture, or missed promotions. 2. Personal struggles, relationship conflicts, loss of loved ones, or mental health difficulties. 3. Financial hardships, accumulating debt, unexpected expenses, or investment losses. 4. Health crises, illnesses, injuries, or lifestyle challenges that hinder physical and emotional well-being. While setbacks can be disheartening, they are not definitive. How we respond to them determines whether they hold us back or propel us forward. Reframing setbacks as opportunities. The first step to turning setbacks into comebacks is reframing how we perceive them. Instead of seeing setbacks as failures, view them as stepping stones for growth. Here's how. 1. Shift your mindset. A growth mindset. See setbacks as opportunities to learn and improve rather than insurmountable obstacles. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? How can it help me grow stronger? 2. Focus on what you can control. Accept that some aspects of setbacks may be beyond your control. Instead, channel your energy into areas where you can make a difference. For instance, if you've lost a job, focus on updating your resume, networking, and learning new skills. 3. Embrace resilience. Resilience is the ability to adapt and bounce back from adversity. By building emotional strength and cultivating optimism, you can face challenges with renewed determination. Steps to transform setbacks into comebacks. 1. Reflect and accept. Take time to reflect on the setback. What happened? Why did it happen? What role did you play? And what external factors contributed? Accept the situation without judgment or blame. Acknowledge your emotions, whether frustration, sadness, or anger, and allow yourself to process them. 2. Set new goals. Since you've accepted the setback, focus on the future. Set realistic, actionable goals to regain momentum. Break these goals into smaller steps to make progress manageable and trackable. 3. Develop a plan. Create a clear roadmap for your comeback. Identify resources, tools, and support systems you'll need, whether financial planning, professional help, or guidance from mentors. 4. Build skills and knowledge. Use the setback as an opportunity to grow. Take courses, read books, or seek advice to strengthen your expertise and adaptability. For example, if a business venture fails, analyze what went wrong and equip yourself with better business strategies. 5. Seek support. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who can encourage and guide you. Share your challenges with trusted friends, family, or mentors. Consider professional support, such as therapy or coaching, to help navigate difficult emotions and strategies. 6. Stay persistent. Rebuilding after a setback takes time and consistent effort. Don't let temporary failures discourage you. Celebrate small wins along the way to maintain motivation and confidence. Lessons from real-life comeback. Your story is full of inspiring stories of individuals who turn setbacks into incredible comebacks. Their journeys offer valuable lessons for anyone facing adversity. 1. J.K. Rowling. From rejection to global success. Before Harry Potter became a worldwide phenomenon, Rowling faced multiple rejections from publishers. She was also a single mother living on welfare. Lesson: perseverance, belief in one's vision, and continuous effort can transform failure into monumental success. 2. Nelson Mandela. From prison to presidency. Mandela spent 27 years in prison for opposing apartheid, but emerged as a symbol of resilience and reconciliation, eventually becoming South Africa's president. Lesson: a clear purpose and unwavering determination can lead to transformative change. 3. Oprah Winfrey. From setbacks to media empire. Faced significant personal and professional struggles early in life, including being fired from a television job. However, she used those challenges to build an empire of inspiration and influence. Lesson: setbacks can fuel reinvention and empower you to reach new heights. Practical tools for a comeback. 1. Journaling. Write about your experiences, emotions, and lessons learned. Journaling provides clarity, tracks progress, and fosters self-awareness. 2. Mindfulness practices meditation, deep breathing, or yoga can help you stay grounded, manage stress, and maintain focus during difficult times. 3. Time management is tools like planners or apps to organize your tasks and goals. Prioritize what matters most and eliminate distractions. 4. Positive affirmations supplant negative self-talk with affirmations reinforcing your resilience and ability to overcome challenges. 5. Networking and collaboration connect with others who share similar goals or challenges. Networking opens doors to new opportunities and support. Key takeaways for 20,251. Embrace Shangyath world is rapidly evolving, and adaptability is crucial. Be open to new opportunities, skills, and perspectives. 2. Invest in yourself whether through education, health, or relationships. Prioritize personal growth to build a solid foundation for future challenges. 3. Be patient. Success doesn't happen overnight. Allow yourself the time to heal, learn, and rebuild. 4. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge every step forward, no matter how small. Progress fuels motivation and builds confidence. 5. Find purpose in setbacks. Every setback has a lesson or opportunity hidden within it. Reflect on how the experience can make you stronger, wiser, or more compassionate. Conclusion. Transforming setbacks into comebacks is a skill that can be cultivated with the right mindset, strategies, and support. As you navigate 2025, remember that challenges are a part of life, but don't define you. With resilience, self-awareness, and a willingness to adapt, you can turn any setback into a powerful stepping stone towards success. Your comeback story is waiting to be written. Embrace it, learn from it, and let it propel you toward a brighter future.